Hey guys, welcome to K Creations. In this video, I'll be sharing with you how to crochet. So let's begin. So we start crocheting by making a foundation chain. For that, let's learn how to make a slip knot first. You take your yarn, twist it like this with a longer thread on top. You pull it out, and that's your slip knot. Let's see it again. So we have a short side and a long side. We cross the long side in the front. Now through this gap, you pull out the long side. So just hold your join and pull the long side. Now pull the loop and you got a slip knot. To make the slip knot smaller, because we don't need that much of space, just hold the knot and pull your longer thread and you get your desired length. Let's see how to make a chain. So first thing to keep in mind is keep your yarn ball on the left hand side and your crochet hook on your right. I'm a right handed person, so I'm going to hold the crochet hook from my right hand. So when you're working your crochet, you go from your right to your left. Put your crochet hook through the slip knot you just created. If your yarn is thinner, you can take a smaller hook size. If your yarn is thicker, you take a larger hook size. You can again adjust your loop here. Some people like to just slide their yarn through their fingers. I like to wrap it around my finger once or twice for the ease of movement. I feel there is more control this way, especially for beginners. Some people like to hold their hook like this, like a pen, and work their yarn. I like to hold it from top so that from one finger I can have control on where my stitches are going. You can choose either way. So to make a chain, we wrap the yarn around our hook and pull through. Again, we wrap the yarn around our hook and pull through. You'll start getting something like this. This is your chain. Let's see it again. So you wrap the yarn and you pull through. If you're working like this, I'll show it to you this way as well. So you wrap your yarn and pull through. Again, wrap your yarn and pull through. This is your chain. Now let's see how to make a slip stitch. So I'm going to leave one chain and then slip in the next. You might read this in a lot of patterns. Read one chain from the hook and stitch in the next. So I'm going to show you what that looks like. So we leave the first chain from the hook. So this loop is on a hook, that's not a stitch yet. This is our chain, first chain from the hook. Leaving that, we are going to stitch in our next chain. So let's see how to do a slip stitch. We put a hook into the chain So now we have 2 loops on our hook. We yarn over and pull that yarn through our chain and through our loop. This is a slip stitch. Let's see it again. We put a hook into the stitch, yarn over, take it out once, take it out twice. Let's do it again. Put a hook into the chain, yarn over, pull through and pull through. This is our slip stitch. It's going to look something like this. Slip stitches are usually done when you don't want to increase the height of your creation, when we don't want to create an additional stitch but just close the one we are making. Also when we want to join 2 pieces together. It's going to look something like this. In this, these loops, these chain looking loops come in front and not on top. In the stitches we'll do later, these loops will come on top. Now let's see how to make a single crochet. In US terminology, it's called single crochet or SC. In UK terminology, it's known as double crochet or DC. So we are going to do a single crochet in 3rd chain from the hook. So we got 1, 2, 3. So we'll put a hook into the chain just like we did in our slip stitch. We'll yarn over, pull through. Now this time we won't pull through again. We will yarn over again and then pull through both the loops. Let's see it again. So we put the hook into the chain, yarn over, pull through. Then we got 2 loops on our hook. Yarn over again and pull through both loops. Again, put the hook into the chain, yarn over once, pull through the loop from the chain. Now we got 2 loops on our hook. We will yarn over again and pull through both the loops. It will start looking something like this. Now as I told you earlier, we are not seeing the chain looking loops in front like we saw in a slip stitch. We will see that on top. This is our front, this is our top. Let's do some more to have a better clarity. This is how our row of single crochet will look like. This is our front and we get these chain looking loops on top. Thanks for watching guys. I hope you get something out of this video and I hope you can start crocheting now. To learn more crochet stitches and more patterns, subscribe to K Creations and click the bell icon to get notified first whenever we put a new video. You can also follow us on Instagram as K Creations 18. Have a good day guys. Happy crocheting, happy creating.